Well, hello, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about the programs that I'm going to be utilizing in the upcoming year and the programs that have worked extremely well for me thus far. I tell you what, I'm in several programs. I got all of them in a list today. I want to show you what we've got, what we're going to be working with in the upcoming year. Path forward is just absolutely incredible. Before we get started, make sure we like this video, hit the like button, tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe. If you're watching this video, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So great things to happening. And we're going to show you what we've got going on. I got a playlist of great programs that I'm in, and we've got a list for you. And I tell you what, these programs have worked extremely well for me for the last few years and have proven the test of time. I'm telling you what, working home has never been this good and is only going to get better. We've got an epic year. 2025 is going to be amazing, and we're already seeing starter signs. I'm going to give you a game plan on how you can partner alongside of me. Folks, I've consistently cranked out 5 figures each and every month, consistently, every single month, with a combination of these programs. Of course, as an income disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action. But let me show you the programs that we're going to be running with. And I'm going to continue to talk about these programs as we're going along. Different days I talk about this program, different days I talk about that program. I'm going to be doing a series on some of the programs that I'm currently, some of my residual programs. I'm going to do a series on those like American Bill Money. We're going to talk about that program, folks. That thing's amazing. And we're going to show you what we've got going on and a strategy that you can use, folks, to help get you to 10 grand per month. But these are the programs that I got that we're going to utilize for 2025. And that's how it is. A lot of people ask me, well, Timothy, you're in several programs. Well, right now, I combined them down and I put them all in front of you so you can see all the programs that I'm in and that you might be able to partner along with me. Now, if you want to, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know, and tap the notification bell. You can also come over to the channel, check out the playlist. Click on the playlist tab. Here, you will find 80%, just about 80% of most of the programs that I'm in. I'm going to go through and clean up some of the programs. If I'm in one or two that I may not talk about, I'm going to get rid of those. But if it's on the channel, it's working, and we're going to keep it for the upcoming year. The program that I want to talk about mostly, let me show you, it's taking a little longer for the load when it's got the video going. Here are the programs that I'm in. I got them listed as residual programs with websites. I've got digital big ticket make money today programs with websites. And I've got flyer and postcard programs. I got them all separated. So look here what we've got. We've got different categories of programs. We've got the residual programs. We've got the digital wealth programs with, with websites. We've got flyer programs, and we've got postcard programs. Let's dive into it. Folks, my number one go-to system, you're going to want to partner, even if you're watching the video today, it's an American Bill Money. American Bill Money is the glue. It's the glue. Been around 22 years, folks. 22 years in business. And look at this, 22 years. It's been around 22 years, and I tell you what, where are you going to be in year number 30? This program here, it's going to be the glue that you need as a residual income system that is 100% rock solid. You come in for as low as $50 and you can upgrade all the way to the highest level. People are coming in, they're getting excited. Folks, with one referral, you can earn up to $2,000 per year with just one referral. Folks, that is incredible. And with upgrades, once you come in, you're going to get your marketing kit. It's going to show you the different levels of participation. Folks, and the key to financial wealth, get this right. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the like button. hit that like button. Lean in closer. But key to financial wealth is residual programs that are subscription based. That means you make a sale and get paid potentially for the remainder of your life. Get that, folks. Make sure you get that point. I want to drive it home. Residual programs. You want to plug in today. People say, well, I wish I would have joined programs a few years ago when it first came out. Folks, 22 years in, where are you going to be year number 30? Folks, American Bill Money is going to make a lot of people, just this one program is going to make a lot of people 5 figures per month. Folks, this thing is a money magnet. It is a recruiting machine. It is a built-in system, does all the follow-up, best I've seen. So it is my number one, the glue of everything that I'm doing. As of right now, American Bill Money, my best program that I have. So join it today. Then we've got Money Order Freedom. It is an upgrade, and I'll be doing a series on American Bill Money. It is an upgrade. It's going to help you with Money Order Freedom. You're going to see the potential of bringing in one person per year. You can make up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades with the Money Order Freedom. So it is the big ticket program above American Bill Money. So it's all up under the umbrella of American Bill Money. So you want to get involved with American Bill Money today. If you're at starter, you're going to want to go to basic immediately. Folks, I'm telling you, you want to go to basic today. I mean, it is just that good. I have been in it for a year and several months, and I'm telling you, I am ordering 5,000 flyers as we speak, 5,000 envelopes, 5,000 postcards. We are launching an attack, and we're going to build this as to be one of the biggest residual income that we've got, the biggest in the country today. It's going to help so many people. I could not be more excited. Okay, my next residual programs that I have on the books now is Wealth Step by Step VIP Savings Club. Now, Wealth Step by Step is exciting. Check it out. It's on my channel. I don't think I got it in the playlist. I don't have VIP Savings Club in this playlist as of yet. I put a question mark by VIP Savings Club. I've been talking to my sponsor. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep VIP Savings Club as a charter program for the new year. So I put a question by it. I'm not going to do any videos right now. I have a few small concerns about that program. It has made me money, but before I do more videos and do more recommendations, I want to find out some more things about VIP Savings Club. But I am going with Wealth Step by Step. Send It Academy. Folks, this thing here is paid per letter. This right here, I put it right here in a category by itself. I don't know how I'm going to label it in the next video. But, folks, you can get paid to write 2 sentences on an index card. 2 sentences. Folks, this Send It Academy, you can plug in, join today, find my video. I'll show you how you can plug in, make $1,000 a month just writing a few sentences a week on an index card. My goodness, folks, I am on track. I am on track to make over $3,500 in just this one program per month. Folks, there's exciting times ahead. Here are our digital programs that have website base. Now, Supreme Profit, folks, that thing has made me a little over 200 grand. Over 200 grand, folks. Income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. That thing is an income magnet. I'm going to start talking about doing some more videos on Supreme Profit. I've got a playlist over here on the channel, and you can watch endless proof videos. Here's the little brother of Supreme Profit. We've got Digital Wealth Pro. It's a great program. I'll bring some more videos on you that. And my automatic pay just added the new $600 level. So we're excited about that. Folks, get excited. I tell you what, the path forward is just absolutely incredible. The biggest part of my day is finding out what I want to do after 11 a.m. Is that a good problem for people to have? High five me for that, folks. Great things are happening. I could not be more excited about it. Now, let's look at the flyer programs. I'm in several flyer programs. Do y'all see the method that I have? You get several of these working for you one time. That's how we're able to create 10 grand per month every month, month in and month out without fail. And what we're going to see, 15 grand, 20 grand per month some months. I'm telling you, folks, this stuff, you can turn dreams into reality. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do without having to answer to a boss. Be the CEO of your life. Folks, this is powerful. Here are the flyer programs that we're involved with. Money blocks. Okay, this is brand new for 2025. Greg Bethea has done it again. He's created an incredible flyer. We're going to be launching it over the next few days. Money Blocks is going to be a powerful direct mail flyer. Folks, I'm going to talk about it on another video. We've got the 200 cash daily flyer. Game changer. It's making money. We've got the AutoSpin and Monster Residual. That's the same flyer. It's called AutoSpin and Monster Residual. So it's the same flyer. We've got the $1,000 per week solution flyer. $1,000 per week solution flyer. We've got the Millionaire Mailer. The Millionaire Mailer has 5 levels, all the way up to $1,000. It's a one-page flyer. Incredible. We have Airmail Infinity. Airmail Infinity is incredible. We have the 200 United Express flyer. Guys, gals, this is exciting times. And I'm telling you, I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Our postcard programs, Jose Green's excited about the Easy Money Yellow postcard system, the Home Cash Flow Solution program, the $500 Profit Max formula, the Profit Max formula, and the Franklin Welch postcard. Here's Profit Max formula, folks. Mail that postcard, you earn $500 per sale with WTM Pubs. Same with the Franklin Wealth System. These are the programs. These are the programs that we're going to use in 2025 to exponentially help people all over the nation, help people all over the place to grow their income beyond their wildest imagination. Again, folks, the masterpiece of it, whatever you do today, you want to join American Bill Money. You want to join it. And everything that you do on top of that is only icing on top of the cake. You know, there's enough money to be made in American Bill Money that if you just did this one program, folks, I'm on the inside looking out. I'm an insider telling you to get in this thing and start earning up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades. I'm telling you, this is exciting. Did you hit the like button? You lean into me. Lean in just a little bit. Lean in. Let's have a conversation. This is the way the wealthy has done it. They have utilized cash flow with these, you make money today. Supreme Profit. Somebody send you a $3,500 sale. You can take that money and buy all of the material that you need to market your other programs. There is a method to all that we do, a method to the madness. Great things are happening. We want you to take a look at all these programs. I'm going to list them under this video in order. I'll put them under the video. From time to time, we may take a program in or take a program out, add a program. But these are the current programs that we're currently working in. Because, again, one day I'll talk about this program. The next day I'll talk about that program. And I won't talk about this program for 2 or 3 weeks. Then I'll come back to it. That is how wealth is built. And all the time you keep these things going out there, something is making you money 24/7. Folks, this is my time for today. I want to invite you to come in from the inside. We want you to partner today. Find a program and or programs. Let me double down on that. Find a program and or programs that you can feel good about. And partner today. We have no time to lose. Well, there is unlimited amounts of money. It is endless as to what we can do with affiliate marketing with these programs. That's my time for today. I'll see you at the top on the next video. And look out, guys. I'm going to start bringing you a series. We're going to deep dive in American Bill Money over the next a few days. We're going to be talking about the Money Block Flyer. We're just going to be doing series videos over the next few days. Stay tuned, stay plugged in. And we're going to talk about why you should jump in. Not only why you should jump in, why you should consider upgrading immediately. Immediately. It's just that good. Well, folks, that's my time for today. We'll talk to you on the next video and at the top.